Good morning, Precalc. Good morning, Caitlin. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Sarai. Good morning, David. Good morning, Marissa. I love seeing all of these ceilings. I mostly see ceilings. People turn on their cameras, they're always like this. It's just like this. What if I taught like this? It would be awesome. Just every day, you see like the light that I have. Guys, do you see my new plant friend? Did I tell you last week or on Tuesday? Plant friend. Woohoo. So let me go ahead and show you something actually interesting for your slides today. Go, go, go. Oh, let's update this. Good morning. Good morning. The plant does not have a name. Good question. It could use a name. So if you've got a name for it, you can go for it. I would love for you to name them. So this is my plant. It's called a pothos plant. It's also called devil's ivy because apparently it's impossible to kill, like it's immortal. Which I feel like would, I don't know. Yeah, it's called pothos. It's apparently like one version of pothos because it has some like yellow pieces here. But I'm not 100% sure what to name it. So if you've got a name, go for it. I would love to hear your name, hear the name that you would choose for my plant. It's gonna live up there to help it out. It's supposed to like grow down this way. I also got another plant called, it's a dwarf and umbrella ant plant. Yeah, so that should be interesting. I got this one because they are low light because I have north facing windows, so I don't get a lot of sunlight. And then I also got it because you'll only have to water it like once in a while. In fact, it doesn't really like water that much. It just, I don't know. It just like, it needs water like every couple of weeks. It's kind of like a succulent, but in a plant form. So that's good. Ooh, should we name it Edward? I've never read Twilight, but perhaps we should. I don't know. Okay, welcome everyone. Happy day. It is National Homemade Cookies Day. What's your favorite type of cookie? Put it in the chat. Do you like spicy oatmeal, which I found out is a thing yesterday? I love oatmeal cookies, so I'm pumped to try spicy oatmeal cookies. Are you a lemon sugar person? Are you a classic chocolate chip person? Are you a double chocolate person? Like you like chocolate chips, but you like it a lot. Like you want chocolate on chocolate. And then my real question is, do you put nuts in your cookies? Because I think this is a strange phenomenon. And my mom never put nuts in our cookies. So I just never even knew that was a thing. But then apparently it's definitely a thing. So do you put nuts in your cookies? I don't know. Also, what is your favorite? Warm chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, yes. I know that people like that. Macadamia nuts. Okay. I can get with the macadamia nuts. Warm. I'm gonna be honest. I would much prefer to have cookie dough than actual cookies. So sometimes people make me cookies and I'm like, thank you, but also you could have done less work. The cookie dough's better. I can't eat cookies without milk. Nice. McDonald's, specifically McDonald's, David says. Oh, Marissa ups that for sure. Nice. Lots of different cookies here. I'm loving it. Loving this chat for sure. Okay, if you haven't taken attendance yet, please go ahead and do so. Your attendance link, I'm sure someone can type it for me faster than I can type it, but here we go. I got it this time. Someone already hit it. Golly, you're the fastest. I am gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it just for everyone. There we go. The password is with. The password is with, like the name with. I think we started a new fun fact yesterday. What is the beginning of the new fun fact? Since we learned about the London Bridge on whatever day that was, Tuesday. Do we know? Something starts with Maine. I think Maine is the new state. I don't know. I always come into the middle. Maine is the only state with. Oh, Maine is the only state with. Okay, so we need to find out what Maine is the only state of. All right, we'll find out hopefully the rest of the day today. Cool. All right, you're gonna need a paper and pencil today. Happy early birthday to Layla. Her birthday is this weekend. Layla, how old are you turning? 16. Yes, sweet 16. Always love that. Even if you don't really do anything for your sweet teen, your 16, or if maybe you had a quince or whatever. I always feel like sweet 16 is like a classic party to have. Along with quinces, along with I feel like 17 was my best birthday that I ever had. 18 is a nice birthday, you know, all different kinds. I feel like 20, that was a strange birthday to have. It's like right there in the middle. If you're over 18, you're less than 21, you're like kind of in a weird place. Anyway, happy early birthday to Layla this weekend. Layla, you'll have to know how it goes. You'll have to let us know how it goes. So we are going to jump in today with our college reps. We are going to jump in then to announcements, and then we'll jump into ACT Kahoot. We're going to play Kahoot collectively together. I know on Tuesday, many of you guys played an asynchronous Kahoot, which was cool and fun, but today we're going to play for all the marbles a regular Kahoot. So college rep visits. Before we get there, there's one coming today, Occidental College, which is President Barack Obama went there for a time. Did not graduate from there, but he did go there. So right here in Los Angeles, I actually go there. My favorite like breakfast taco place is over there. So I go to their campus about once a week, sometimes more. Occidental, beautiful college. My fun fact, my next door neighbor from growing up goes to Occidental right now. She's a junior. I used to babysit her, and now she's a junior in college at Occidental. So then we have Lawrence University coming tomorrow. That is in between tests. So if you want to take a break from your tests and go to a college rep visit, that would be awesome. We also have 3 colleges coming on Monday. One is Hamilton College. I don't know. Maybe Alexander Hamilton is named after Alexander Hamilton. I don't know. You'll have to go to their college rep visit and ask. There's also Pomona College, which is one of the Claremont colleges, super top-notch schools. So I know you guys are super top-notch humans. So maybe check that one out. Miss Battizi went to Pomona, and Miss Morales O'Connor went to Pomona's like sister school. And so they can tell you a little bit more about that as well. And then UC Santa Cruz, Go Banana Slugs, are also coming on Monday. You'll have to choose between Pomona and UC Santa Cruz, but both really awesome schools. So those are our college rep visits. On Tuesday, we will be doing the PT part that requires some college research. So if you've been to one already this quarter, or if you're going to go to one between now and Tuesday, that can count for that section. Cool beans. Sweet, done college reps. We're going to move on to announcements. It is week 9. So modules are closing on Wednesday, right? So 6 days from today, modules are closing. That is the end of when I'm accepting module assignments. So if you are like, I'll just do it later, right? Like if you have a couple missing assignments, they're not hurting your grade too bad, but you still want to get that 110%, then those modules are closing on Wednesday. I will not be accepting anything on Thursday and Friday, so I can get everything graded and squared away for you. I have graded everything I have as of 9:56 p.m. last night. Everything I have has been graded. Retakes, modules, literally anything that you've turned in. So if you are waiting on me to grade, you're not waiting anymore. And this is your grade as it is, okay? There are only 4 more things that are going into the grade book. One is today's ACT work, right? The next one is ACT participation tomorrow. Like, did you try? Tomorrow, you're getting points. And then next week, Tuesday, we'll have a short PT assignment. And next week, Thursday, whatever work we have for that class, for this class. So there are 4 more assignments going into the grade book. Are there any questions about the end of the quarter, how things are working, any grade questions at all. Doing good. Thanks for responding with your heads. Sally, Devin, I see you. The head nod, head shake. Appreciate that. Cool. Okay, if you have any questions, continue typing them in the chat. But basically, if this was Wednesday, this would be your grade for the quarter. Okay, so you have 5 days to make any changes to your grade that you need to. Cool. Great. We are done with announcements. We are going to play Kahoot today. So if you go to the Thursday 10/1, happy October, first day of October. If you go to Thursday 10/1, we are in class. So you're going to open up this document, clicking on this document. It looks like this. I'll go ahead and send you a direct link if you wish. This direct link is in the chat. Direct link is in the chat. When you click on it, you should see something that looks like this. Something that looks like this. I see 27 total viewers are here. Those are some old people, but I see some of you guys are on this document. That is awesome. You can make a copy if you would like to, right? But for today, you don't need to make a copy. You're not turning anything in. We're gonna play Kahoot together. So if you are someone so we're gonna play Kahoot together in class. So do not click this link, right? This is for people who are playing outside of class, anyone who couldn't join us, anyone whose Wi-Fi dropped out, if they're watching this recording to like see what they need to do for today. That's gonna be them. We are gonna play synchronous in class. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to work on 16, 17, and 18. 16, 17, and 18, just those 3 questions. Then we're gonna play Kahoot for those 3 questions, rapid fire, right? You only have 10 seconds to click in, right? So 16, 17, and 18, you have 3 minutes to work on 16, 17, and 18. Wait for it, here we go, 3 minutes. Your 3 minutes is starting now. You're working on 16, 17, and 18. Feel free to ask me any questions in the chat. But for now, you're doing 16, Okay, team. That's the end of the problem for those 3 problems. If you could go ahead and sign in using this game pin right here, you're going to kahoot.it. So again, don't click the asynchronous link. Don't click the asynchronous link. Go to new tab, kahoot.it. Log in here. You should see your name when you're in. Looking good. We got 26 people in. We've got about 30 people on this call, 34 to be exact, minus me, 33, could be a little bit longer. Janet's a clown, got a clown face on there. Golly with the like sunglasses. Looks like we're good to go, team. All right, team, we're gonna jump in. Starting, this is gonna be number 16. So it's not going out of order, it's gonna be number 16. So number 16, is it A, B, C, D, or E? Notice B and C are together. Whew, so many answers, logging in. Get those answers in. Woohoo! It is correct answer D. A couple people got tricked by B or C. Remember, equivalent means equal. So, and equal angles are across from each other, 6 and 8. 6 and 8 are across from each other. So since we're looking for angle 6, we know for sure answer has to have 8 in it. So it could be A, B, or D. And then remember that we have those corresponding angles, the slider angles. So 6 slides up to 2, since these are parallel lines. So 2 and 4. So 2, 4, and 8, D, your correct answer. All right, let's see how it shook out. Who got there first? Looks like Mia did. Fastest, quickest hands. Here we go. We've got Mia. We've got both Lopez's here in the top 5. Let's see what happens next. Number 17. 17. Here we go. Is it F, G, K, H, or J? That should be an or, not of. H or J? Ah, yes, it is K. We're going to move this 2x over here. That will make minus 2x, 6x on this side. Add the 14 to here. That's 36. So you have 6x is less than 36. I know it's laggy. I'm sorry. So we have x is less than 6. X is less than 6. Okay. The question, you're not going to look at the question. You're going to the question on your, you should have the question on your, on this guy here. So you should have the questions in advance. Oh, couldn't see the answer. Oh, bummer. Yeah, I know it's laggy, guys. Let me turn off my slides and see if that will help. I don't know if it's laggy on my side or on your side. I'm sure it's laggy on both of our sides. So hopefully. Doesn't let me put in an answer when I switch between Zoom and Google. It marks it auto wrong. Oh, that's annoying. Can you split your screen, Josh? Maybe try splitting screen so that you can see like Zoom on one side and the Kahoot thing on the other side. If we need to log in with our like phones, you guys can do that too. Those are my ideas for now. The game pin is down here, so you can still log into the game. So if you need to switch over to your phone, you can do that. We just have one more question in this round, so you'll have time. All right, let's see what happened. With all the lag, what happened? What happened? Mia still in the lead. Fatima and Maritza in second and third. But we've got Bean John and Nancy moving into the top. John, do you like beans? Do you make beans? Are you actually a frijolero? We shall find out. You are. Interesting. All right, let's see. Number 18. Number 18 for this one. Number 18. 6x squared to the power of 3. So that whole quantity to the power of 3. Are we less laggy? Maybe, hopefully, question mark. 22 of us got this correct. This is 6x squared. There's 3 of them, right? There's 3 of them. So we would have 6 times 6 times 6. So it has to be D or E because 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. And then to the power of 3 means there's 3 of them. So x squared, and x squared makes x to the 6th altogether. X to the 6th. So E is your correct answer. Okay, I'm going to give you another 4 minutes. This time you are working on this column here. So 19, 20, 21, and 22. So 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm going to give you another 3 minutes. Your 3 minutes are starting now. Go ahead. You got it. All right, team. Go ahead and wake up your devices. If you're on your phone and it went to sleep, it probably needs to like wake up and reconnect to Kahoot. So try that, do that. Make sure you're ready to go. All right, I got a couple blue thumbs up. So let's jump in. Here we go. Oh, we didn't even check the board. Caitlin's making it into top 5. Nancy moving up to 4th place. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, keeping their spaces. Here we go. Number 19. Number 19. Is it G, H, or J, F, or K? Is it G, H, or J, F, or K? Nice. It is G. It is G. So since it says average, we're dividing because it tells us how many chocolate chips are in a volume of this many cookie dough. So we would do 10 to the power of 9 divided by 10 to the power of 12 is going to be to the power of 3, right? Because that's how many is left over. So you know it's going to be G. And then 16 divided by 8 is 2. So your correct answer is G here. You can do it on your calculator. Do like 8 with 9 zeros after it, divided by 16 with 11 zeros. The reason why 11 instead of 12 is because you're using one of those zeros to move over to 16. Right? Moving that decimal place over 1. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Ooh, some changes here. Sarai making it into the top 5. Fatima taking over that top number 1 place. Nancy steadily climbing. What's 5th? What's 4th? And now 3rd place. Here we go. Next. Number 20. Number 20. Cube A has an edge length of 6. We triple that for cube B. What's the volume of cube B? Well, let's find out. Ooh, yes. E is the correct answer. So edge length of 6, we triple it. So that gives us 18, right? So all of the sides of the cube for B are 18. So it's 18 by 18 by 18, right? So the volume is length times width times height for a cube. 18 times 18 times 18 is a big old number. It is 5,832. So 5,832. That is how you get cube B. Cube B. All right. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Ooh, moving on up. Nancy's in 2nd. Ooh, lots of replacements here. Walter moving into 4th. Maritza here in 3rd place. Okay, Kimbo, thanks for letting me know. Sorry about that. I wish I could do something for us. All right, 21. What values of X are solutions? What values of X are solutions? Aha, good job. It was D. So we have x squared minus 7x is equal to negative 12. We're going to take that negative 12. We're going to move it to the other side, right? Move it to the other side so it becomes positive 12. So we need two numbers that multiply to get 12 and add to get -7. That'd be -3 and -4. So you might be tricked into thinking C is the answer. But remember, it would be x minus 3 and x minus 4. Then you have to flip them for your solution, +3 and +4. +3 and +4. So D is your correct answer here. I know some of us are having trouble with the lag. If that is you, if it is lagging like super hard, feel free to click over to the asynchronous one, right? If you need to click over to the asynchronous one, you totally can. The link is at the top of your document. The link is right here. So if you're lagging like mad hard and you just want to play the asynchronous one, you are welcome to. You can go ahead and do that. Okay. So let's see what happened with our score. Fatima staying in the top, Nancy staying in there, Mia, Maritza, and Sarai in our top 5. All right, we've got one more in this section, right? 22? Yes, 22. All right, 22, here we go. Number 22. Number 22. Yes, it is E. All right, it is E. Come on, work for me. For all of them, we're going to divide these, right? 4 divided by 4 will cancel and give you 1. Don't need to write it anymore. And then 3 B's on top and 7 lots of B's on the bottom. The 3 on the top would cancel with 3 on the bottom and leave 4 on the bottom. So it's either D or E. There's no negative in this problem, so it's not D. It's got to be E. E is your correct answer. All right. All right. At the end of round 2, we are sitting with Fatima, Nancy, and Mia still in the top 3. John's back. Devin's back. So we will check this out. If you are struggling with the synchronous, the lag time is just like not for you. I'm super sorry. Just play the asynchronous one for us. If you're still with us, we're going to go ahead and scroll down. Wow, yeah, mine won't even let me scroll. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to scroll down. We're going to play 23, 24, 25, and 26. 23, 24, 25, and 26. So I'm giving you 4 minutes on the clock. 4 minutes on the clock. Go ahead, take those 4 minutes. You're working on this first column of the second page, 23 through 26. 23 through 26. To pause here, and I'll just give you a couple options. If you played synchronous Kahoot with us today, you got your full points for math today. You're good. It's a light day. We're going to just play Kahoot. That is it. You have no homework. You do not need to submit anything on Canvas. You do not need to do anything. Okay? If you played asynchronous Kahoot, awesome. Cool. That's great. You will get your points for today. Async Kahoot, that's your points for today. You may notice on your sheet that there are an available from 27 to 30, there are 4 more questions that you might want to play to prepare yourself for tomorrow. If you would like to, you can jump over to the asynchronous Kahoot and play those last 4 questions. I will give extra credit for those last 4 questions if you would like. Okay. So if you played synchronous Kahoot with us or asynchronous Kahoot today, you are done for today. If you would like some extra credit, you can play 27 through 30 on the asynchronous Kahoot, and I'll check those out. That is it for today. I'm going to let you go even 3 minutes early. Just remember to do your very best tomorrow. Get some sleep tonight. Let your parents know that you're going to be testing tomorrow. And other than that, I'll stick around if you have any questions or want to ask about an assignment. Other than that, you can head out. I love you. Good luck tomorrow. Christine, you do not need to submit anything. You are good to go. Ale, thank you. Have a good day too. Bye, Galilee. Bye, Jonathan. Bye, Christine. Bye, guys. Bye, Brandon.